In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see what's due soon in Basecamp. If you ever feel unsure about what's coming up next, Basecamp offers a few built-in views that surface upcoming dates and deadlines, both for your own work and for everything happening across your projects. Let's start with the most personal view and work our way out to the bigger picture. First, head to My Stuff and open My Assignments. At the top, switch to the tab called My Assignments with Dates. This view focuses only on your to-dos and cards that actually have due dates, and it sorts them so that the items coming up soon are easy to spot. It's perfect when you want a clean, distraction-free list of what's time-sensitive. If you don't see much here, it usually means some tasks don't have dates yet, so add due dates to make them appear. From this list, you can open any item to see where it lives, who else is involved, and any related conversations, which helps you understand the context before you dive in. Next, for a timeline view, go to My Stuff and choose My Schedule. This is your personal calendar inside Basecamp. It shows two things: events you're part of and any to-dos assigned to you that have due dates. Seeing them laid out on a calendar makes it easy to scan what's coming up this week and next. Use it to balance your workload. If the next few days look crowded, you'll know to wrap up loose ends now, or negotiate due dates before they sneak up. This view is ideal for planning your day and ensuring you're not surprised by a deadline. Finally, when you need the big picture across all your projects, use the Upcoming Dates report. Click Activity in the top navigation. Then use the Choose a Report drop-down to select Upcoming Dates. This report combines scheduled events and dated to-dos from every project you're part of, not just your own assignments, so you can see team deadlines, launch dates, and meetings all in one place. You can browse it as an agenda to quickly scan what's approaching, or subscribe the list to an external calendar to keep everything visible alongside your other commitments. If your team uses this report in stand-ups or weekly planning, it becomes a reliable source of truth for what's due soon. To recap, use My Assignments with Dates when you want a prioritized list of your own deadlines, My Schedule for a calendar view of your commitments, and the Upcoming Dates report for a comprehensive project-wide look. Keep due dates accurate, and these views will always keep you a step ahead.